Hi guys, I'm Georgia May and we're here in Miami and I've just come in from the beach and I'm going to show you my basic day makeup look. My hair's a little bit wet, so I'm just kind of letting it dry naturally. First of all, I'm going to moisturize. I started making my own products. They're all completely natural and British. I've always sort of been into organic skincare. This has kind of got rose geranium in it, calendula. I've always had really dry skin, so it's really good for that. Okay, so the other thing I've got is the Super Balm, which is lip balm, but you can also use it like if you have any dry skin, like you've been in the sun, or you can use it on your elbows, stuff like that. I always rub a little bit extra on my cheeks and on my eyes. You can also like put it over your makeup if you want to kind of have that shiny look. I'm gonna do a bit of sunscreen because that's really important. So now we're kind of ready. I'm gonna start with Burberry foundation stick. I kind of use my fingers a lot. I see a lot of makeup artists using their fingers, and I think that the heat helps me get it into my face better. I'm going to curl my lashes now, which is always a bit awkward. I kind of like to do my mascara first. Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes. I love like a really super thick mascara. Now I'm going to do the mascara face we're talking about. How you always have your mouth open. My favorite concealer is from Boots. Drugstore concealers actually sometimes work better for me. When I'm sort of doing like this kind of makeup for hot weather, I like to not really use that much foundation. So I'm more of a fan of using like an under eye pen like this in sort of all the places that you need a little bit more help in. I'm always traveling, so I like to have a less is more approach to my makeup bag. My makeup bag is quite often one of those like TSA Ziplocs. This is the number 10, which is the lighter one. I always feel like this side of my face is like a much darker under eye bag, so I put a lot more on that side than the other side. The sort of thing you only notice on yourself, right? Okay. Casual Beach eyeshadow, which is actually the Fenty Rihanna Gold. I think it's amazing, but I just put like a tiny bit on, so it's not too over the top for the daytime, but I still like a bit of sparkle. Kind of that like nice light gold, just like sparkly but like beachy. So now I'm just gonna do my brow gel. I used to sort of bleach my eyebrows and wear a lot of pink eyeshadow. When I was a teenager, the only makeup that I used to wear was bright green eyeliner and Urban Decay glitter eyeliner on top. This one's just the matte clear brow set. So I'm gonna use this Burberry Fresh Glow Radiance, so giving you like a bit of bronzer, highlighter, kind of sun-kissed look. Just underneath. Now I'm just gonna put on a tiny bit of the Fenty highlighter. This one's called Metal Moon. Blush. This one's called like Shigao and it's from Japan and I'm obsessed with it because it's this like whipped mousse texture. I love going makeup shopping in Japan. This is called Myrrh. It's one of my favorite lipsticks. It's kind of more my natural color from Match. Just kind of makes your lips a little bit pinker than their normal color. Give myself a little spritz. This is our Skin Tonic. That's kind of my basic daytime beach makeup look. So I'm changed now and I'm ready for my day. All this makeup off my hand.